First, I like to grease my slow cooker. Always save my bacon grease to reuse in the kitchen. So then I'm adding a large diced onion, chicken breast diced. Hey, I'm Fran. Welcome. Some of this I've just prepared and frozen, as I used the other half of the package for something else. So 3 andouille sausage, or sometimes I just use a double smoked or a smoked sausage, depending on what I can get when I'm shopping. But andouille sausage is the preferred. So again, these are my peppers I'm adding now, and they're frozen because I bought them or grew them. And so then I freeze them to keep them longer. This is 1 large green pepper. This is red pepper. And 1 orange pepper diced. And 2 jalapeno peppers with the seeds and stems removed. And they're just diced. One tablespoon of minced garlic. Jar or about 500 ml of crushed or diced tomatoes. Dash of pepper. Some salt, about a half a teaspoon of each. 3 tablespoons of Cajun spice, and I'll put a link to my recipe to mix this up in case you can't find any in the store or you just like to mix your own. 3 tablespoons. So we'll give that a stir. And we're going to add 2 cups of low sodium chicken broth. And we're going to let that cook on high for about 3 to 4 hours. Then we're going to add some shrimp and rice. Jambalaya is getting stewed up good. Sorry, the steam. I'm going to add in a pound of shrimp. I buy just the frozen. And there, I've just cut them in half. And I'll add them into our jambalaya now. And in about a half hour, I'll come back and we'll add in some rice. Our shrimp has cooked up lovely. And now I've got a cup and a half of white rice here. And stir that in. And I'm going to turn it down to low. And we're going to let that absorb all the yummy juice. I also like to give it a little sprinkle of parsley just at this stage as well.